thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive.
It's the second day and I'm up. I've just had a cup of tea and I've got my bag ready there for the trip. I'm just going to go and see Jason now and gonna go down and have a bit of breakfast. So let's go and frighten him. Let's go and wake him up. Well, he might be up, but let's go and knock it down. Are we going down? Where are we going down? I want to go up. Room service. We caught him. There he is.
It's not
the
me.
man, the master of watercolours. In my efforts last night, I stayed up until 12 o'clock. I needed 1 o'clock before I went to bed last night. And well, this is what Jason painted before he went to sleep. Look at that. I haven't got no artwork in my room, that's unfair. First station of many. We're actually on the 2, platform 2. Where are we? Central Line, Lancaster Gate.
I'm gonna have to get inside the map.
Yes.
There's a lot of traffic on this line. Yeah. Does they mean the road?
So we've actually found the L. Corneliusson paint shop, which is one of the oldest paint shops in London, and they carry all traditional paints and pigments. And there is rumours by Mr. Bowen that Turner used to buy his paints from here. So who knows? We'll have a look. Jason and I just about to go into the British Museum, and it's what a fantastic looking building. I can't wait to get in to see all the exhibits. What do you think, Jess?
Wow, I mean, amazing.
So we've arrived in the British Museum and just got my camera out of the bag, and I've just found out that I was playing with the settings on it last night and I didn't switch it off, so I've got no battery. So I'm going to have to do everything on my iPhone now. It's a good job I got a battery pack for it, because I think I would have run out of battery by the time we'd finished the day otherwise. So here we go. Should have got a location beacon on Jason. I've lost him. And there's 1 or 2 people in here today. Dare say I'll find him shortly. Don't know where he is. Jason! I think Jason's in his element. He's really enjoying himself. Isn't he, Jace?
Oh, it's very good.
Yes. Been a Greek exhibit. It's amazing how much there is to see in this wonderful museum, which is the British Museum. And we've got a Welsh museum, but nothing to this scale. This is, I feel as if I've been here 3 hours and I've walked 2 yards. So what you're going to see, what follows this, is a couple of shots. Jason said that a lot of the heads and the horses and the people are very similar. And what they did, they learned one particular style of a horse's head, and they just reproduced it and reproduced it. So see what you think. I'll put those forward in this little clip now. Finding interesting here is a lot of these vases and pots are only partly decorated and partly painted. I'll show you a couple, and they look unfinished. But it's interesting to see the actual line work that the artists have used, going back to the centuries, and seeing how they've actually blocked in on different layers. So it's very, very interesting. I'll just show you a couple. Hopefully you can see the line work on some of these pots. You can see there's a little white belt being put in place there, but it's the delicate line work. I find it, are these finished works of art? Are they meant to look like this, or are they going to be coloured later on? As you can see, some of these are being coloured. It's just a thought, maybe. Maybe they just left like that. It's like a terracotta pot. I don't know. It seems very interesting. I come to the conclusion that that is just the style they are, I think. Because there's so many of them here. Ancient Egypt, and some interesting things to look at. Mummies and sarcophaguses. It's not an easy word to say, so I'll just show you around there now. The actual work that's gone into these, though. Look at the detail. It is amazing, Jace. Anything to say, Jess?
I'm just blown away really by the sculptors' models.
It's just an amazing place. We've been here, I don't know how many hours. It's now 20 to 2. So it's quite an extensive collection. So we're actually in the Chinese and Japanese area now. Early dynasty, 1600 to 1046 BC. So very, very interesting. When I originally come to London with Jason, I wasn't expecting to be walking around the British Museum as such. I was more about going to portrait galleries and national galleries, but we did that last year. So this is quite extensive, as I said, and I was a little bit blown away. But right, I shall carry on doing some filming and some shooting, and just generally enjoy the rest of the day, I think. So we're in the British Museum, Jason, aren't we? This is for Facebook, by the way. So
this is where I posed last year. But we pose again.
He's still waiting for the royalties.
Yeah.
But it's been a fantastic day so far, and my legs are burning. They are literally burning. He's walked my feet off me again. But we got some painting to look forward to tonight, hopefully.
Yeah.
So we just got to go up to see the Japanese exhibit now, where we're going to be seeing some samurai warrior outfits, hopefully. So that's what Jason's been excited about all day.
Yeah.
He's been going like, whoa! So we've had a nice cup of tea, our coffee, and some cake, and it's been a really good day. So I'll post some photographs now of the day so far, and I'll be making a video later. Nice. There then. I just looked at a video of myself walking away from the museum, and I look quite swollen. I think that's to do with the air pressure at the moment, because it's quite humid here, and all my fluid seems to be dropping to my socks. Should have put a nappy on. No, all joking aside, it's been a cracking day here at the British Museum. Both Jason and I are absolutely shattered now. So we're going to be doing some painting this evening. So as far as the day is concerned, the day, we're going to end that here, and then hopefully the early evening we're going to be doing a little bit of painting back in Hyde Park. So until then, I'll see you later. Bye.
Hello, welcome to me and Clive in London at the British Museum. Clive's messing around. I'm the mature one out of the two of us. Yeah, it's been fantastic, and we've really enjoyed it today, apart from no samurai warriors, which was annoying.
Yeah, it's been a long walk.
We walked 1,000,000 steps to see the samurais, and we weren't allowed to see them because it was all closed off.